Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Microsoft account you want linked to Game Pass. This ensures purchases and subscriptions land in the right place. Once signed in, open the Redeem page on your Xbox, the Xbox app, or account. Microsoft. com/redeem so you are ready to enter the code. Make sure you have the 25-character code physically visible and avoid confusing characters like 0 and letter O. This prevents entry errors and speeds the process. Next, select Redeem and type the 25-character code exactly as shown. You can use copy-paste on a PC to reduce mistakes. After the code verifies, review the offer details, subscription length, whether it converts to Game Pass Ultimate, and any prorated charges or payment prompts, and confirm the account it will attach to. If your account has conflicting subscriptions or regional limits, the system will notify you. Pausing here avoids unintended charges and ensures the correct benefits apply. Finally, once redeemed, check services and subscriptions in your Microsoft account to confirm Game Pass is active and that the expiration date matches the offer. If benefits do not show instantly, restart your Xbox or app and wait up to 30 minutes because entitlement propagation can take time. If the code fails, verify it hasn't expired or been region locked. If problems persist, contact support with your code and purchase receipt so they can resolve account or entitlement issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.